Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Incorporating woodcraft pieces into living spaces offers an array of benefits and advantages that contribute to both the aesthetic and functional aspects of home decor. The beauty of natural wood, combined with the artistry involved in crafting unique pieces, creates an environment that is inviting, warm, and filled with personal character. Individuals often find themselves drawn to the organic splendor of woodcraft, as it brings a touch of nature indoors, fostering a sense of tranquility and comfort. One of the most significant benefits of using woodcraft pieces in decoration is the aesthetic appeal they provide. The rich textures, varied grains, and warm colors of wood can dramatically enhance a room's ambience. Each wooden item carries a unique visual story, reflecting the natural imperfections and features of the material itself. This uniqueness means that no two woodcraft pieces are identical, allowing homeowners to curate a collection of decor that is distinctly personal and resonant with their individual tastes. The ability to incorporate different styles, whether rustic, modern, or traditional, provides versatility in creating a cohesive look that reflects the identity of the space. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of random wood furniture and wood decor pieces to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, woodcraft pieces contribute to a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Wood naturally invokes feelings of comfort and warmth, which can transform a mundane living space into a welcoming retreat. The tactile nature of wood also encourages interaction. Individuals are more inclined to touch and engage with wooden items, promoting a sense of connection and comfort within the environment. This inviting quality encourages gatherings, as friends and family feel at ease in a space that radiates warmth and character. The use of woodcraft pieces also fosters a connection to nature. In a world increasingly dominated by concrete, glass, and technology, wood serves as a reminder of the beauty and serenity of the natural environment. Incorporating elements of nature into living spaces can have positive effects on mental well-being. Studies have shown that proximity to natural materials can reduce stress and promote relaxation. The distinct scents and organic qualities of wood enhance sensory experiences, creating a peaceful atmosphere that is both refreshing and grounding. This connection to nature fosters a more holistic living environment, promoting overall well-being. Furthermore, wooden craft items can be highly functional. Many decorative wood pieces serve dual purposes, such as functional art that enhances both design and utility. For instance, a beautifully crafted serving tray, while decorative, also serves the purpose of organizing items or facilitating gatherings. This multifaceted utility means that homeowners can enjoy aesthetically pleasing decor without sacrificing functionality. By integrating functioning craft pieces, individuals can optimize their space while maintaining an artistic flair. The craftsmanship involved in creating woodcraft items often reflects a dedication to quality and artistry that can elevate home decor. Handcrafted wooden pieces are often imbued with the care and attention of their makers, resulting in items that not only serve as decor, but also embody narrative and artistry. Each piece can tell a story, connecting its owner to the craftsmanship involved and the traditions of woodworking that span generations. This appreciation for craftsmanship fosters a deeper connection between homeowners and their decor, as they come to understand the significance of the pieces they choose to showcase in their spaces. In addition to their inherent beauty and utility, woodcraft pieces can enhance the overall value of a home. The presence of artisanal, handcrafted items can impart an air of sophistication, indicating a thoughtful approach to home design. As homeowners curate their spaces with unique woodcraft, they significantly improve the overall aesthetic and appeal of their residences. Such distinctive decor can leave a lasting impression on guests, enhancing the home's marketability should the owners ever decide to sell. Investing in quality woodcraft items can ultimately lead to a more valuable and appealing living environment. Using woodcraft pieces also aligns with sustainable practices, especially when sourced responsibly. As environmental consciousness grows, more individuals are drawn to eco-friendly materials. Wood, particularly when harvested from sustainable sources or reclaimed wood, promotes a more sustainable lifestyle. By opting for wooden decor, homeowners contribute positively to environmental stewardship and promote a culture of sustainability. This choice reflects a commitment to thoughtful consumption, aligning personal values with home decor. The integration of woodcraft items can also foster an atmosphere of personalization within living spaces. Unlike mass-produced decor, handcrafted wooden pieces allow for significant opportunities for personal expression. Homeowners can select items that resonate with their tastes, interests, and memories. Whether it's a piece reminiscent of a cherished trip or art that reflects individual hobbies, these selections create a narrative throughout the home. This personal touch is invaluable in cultivating an environment that truly feels like home. Working with wood and crafting decor can also encourage a sense of mindfulness. The process of selecting, designing, and integrating wood items involves intentionality and thoughtfulness, inviting individuals to consider how their decor reflects their lifestyle and values. Emphasizing mindfulness in home decor can enhance satisfaction with one's living space, allowing for deeper appreciation of the surroundings. When homeowners feel connected to their spaces, they are more likely to cultivate a positive and nurturing environment. Incorporating wooden craft pieces into living spaces can also promote cultural appreciation and storytelling. Many regions have distinctive woodworking traditions that reflect the history and values of their communities. By choosing to display wooden items that showcase these cultural elements, homeowners can invoke and preserve cultural narratives within their environments. Such practices create a richer tapestry of experiences and stories that inspire both residents and visitors alike. The durability of wood as a material adds another dimension to its appeal in home decor. By utilizing compact wooden decor, homeowners can maintain an uncluttered environment while showcasing their unique style. Engaging with woodcraft also promotes community involvement and support for local artisans. Many woodcraft pieces are created by local craftsmen or small businesses, often reflecting the cultural and artistic heritage of a community. Purchasing unique wooden items directly supports these artisans, contributing to the local economy and fostering connections within the community. This engagement not only bolsters local craftsmanship, but deepens the sense of belonging and pride in one's living environment. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked random wood furniture and wood decor pieces to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.